We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's center crossmember with gas tank support. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Remove the wheel. Remove your gas tank and its components and plug all remaining tubes to reduce fume leakage. Place the tank safely outside your work area. Step 3. Using a 5/8 socket, remove the two body mount bolts just below the support. Depending on the exhaust routing, it may need to be removed for ease of access. Depending on how you intend to cut, clean the cut zones free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Begin cutting away the gas tank support as close to the frame rails as possible. We recommend cutting the centermost support free first to allow easy access to the left and right support flanges, as well as the body mount bushings. Cut away the left and right flanges and remove any remaining material until the frame rails are flush. Step 5. Attempt to push the part into place and over the frame rails. Take note of any difficulties and cut them away. Ensure the frame rails are flush and the body mount bushing holes are aligned with the body. Step 6. Prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. If you wish to cover the entire part, coat it in a weldable primer or other inflammable rust inhibitor. Install a new set of body mount bushings according to the manufacturer's instructions. Replace the part and C-clamp and tack weld it into place. Step 7. Remove any potential fire hazards. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. Begin reassembling your vehicle by reinstalling the two body bolts. Reinstall your gas tank completely. Reinstall your wheels. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.